Alright, let's see there. Oh, I think I got some audio coming through finally. Although it seems very quiet still. Let me know. Let me know if you can hear it well on your side. For me, at least, it sounds quiet. Good. Okay. Good. 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 Thank you for that. Yeah, I was gonna say earlier. I'm glad I could help you out. I saw like a lot of outdated or just not very good key binding tutorials. That's why I made mine. So I'm glad it helped you out. Thanks for calling out the sound. For some reason, I restarted my computer the other day, and I guess OBS just didn't want to pick up my Yeti or my Logitech speaker, so I'm glad you noticed. Alright, I'm just working on a little bit of a tutorial system right now using my inbuilt quest system. Alright, so let's see. So if I do this, I'm just checking to see if my key actually exists. If it equals this, I guess I would want to do a not here, because then the key exists if it's not equal to this. Sorry, you're going to do a not boolean. It's not a boolean. Welcome, welcome, welcome. See, some other people have joined. Glad to have you all here. Alright, so let's go here. Plug this in. Ready to format this text. Yeah, it is quite the system. Basically, I really wanted something that would give me a lot of flexibility and give me a lot of things I can do within my game. And so I basically built, using a couple different tutorials, built a sort of dialogue system that kind of combines a few different things. And so essentially I have an asynchronous dialogue system that lets me pull in sound and images and text and everything. And basically I just add these little add dialogue nodes, and they let me add speakers, any kind of speaker image if I have one, if I want to, dialogue. I can give options, so if I want multiple options. And when I actually have those options, I can actually switch on dialogue states. So depending on, if it's an updated dialogue versus if it's just a normal dialogue. So for example, if I want to change what a character says to another character based on choices made, I can go all the updated instead. Versus if it's just pass through, that's just if you want it to be the same every time. And then from there I could switch on the for example, if it's selection 0 is the default, right, if you're doing nothing. But for example, if I've selected an option, let's say I've got options, I can add so that when it goes through, it'll go and switch to different dialogue based on what was actually the option index selected from the previous text. But yeah. Alright, so let's see here. So now basically telling the character that they need to vent their system. Let's go ahead and deploy our radiators so that we can get a good look at them. Oops. If you are on let's see. Go look at them. This will just be key. So for the vent, let's see here. The like key will start the venting process. What we could do is on this, let's actually do a Let me copy all of this before it gets deleted. We actually do a select. Something cool that I've been working more and more with are select trees, basically. But now what's cool is, so see how I'm returning this key exists. I can actually get rid of this. So I can get the key right here. Oh, actually, sorry. I need to do the selects, but I need to do the format into the select. Got them a little backwards here. Let's put this into the dialog, and then this will go into here, and then I format this. But yeah, so if the key exists, we're going to give them this dialog line, right? Because in this case, they're on mouse and keyboard, so we know that they're going to have this specific key available. Now for gamepad, to make things simpler, I gave them a menu system they can go to. Now mouse and keyboard can still go into that menu system because it's, for accessibility purposes, it makes things just a little bit easier. But I want to give different text for the gamepad, since they're not going to be going into, they're not hitting a specific key to actually open the venting system. So for them, we're going to tell them almost the exact same thing, except for the second half. So let's grab this, and we'll also do a format here. We may not need the format necessarily. Probably could have just pasted the text in there, but I like to have the format in case I want to add any variables. Say, go to the ship system and start the venting process by hitting extend, or I guess I think I call it toggle radiators. Radiators. There we go. So this means on mouse and keyboard they should see something to that effect. And then what we want to do is after they hit Roger, we'll just want to give them a bit of a quest here. Dialog tree NX5. Here we go. Set listener. Let me see here. So I believe I may need to add a tag for this. So I'm not sure if I actually have a tag for if they've deployed the radiators. Ah, venting heat. Yes, I did. Okay, perfect. So their venting heat has the tag venting heat. So we got our tag listener here. Then we will add the quest. And we'll say extend radiators. And we'll just have this, instead of saying all this, we'll just say extend out the wayfarers radiators. I guess I don't need to capitalize that R. Trust me, English is something I struggle with, so ignore some misspellings if you see any, or grammar errors. Extend out the wayfarers radiators, so she can cool off. Probably could trigger an event here, and I'll probably add that later. But I could probably trigger an event to add a little bit of heat to the ship, but we won't worry about that for now. So let's go ahead and just make sure that all works. Pop into our tutorial, we get all of the other bits. So hit caps lock F. Open up our ship systems, close it back down. Oh yeah, radar view is what I need to turn on. Oh, wrong button. Radar view on. Although it's taking a second because I didn't build that. Okay. And then we got our radar view. And then we need to highlight one of the ships. Selected. There's Jamis talking. Here we go. The VMS system. So let's open up our VMS system. The breakdown of the different ship components. The access to command interface. All right. Here we go. I guess actually, I need to change that slightly. So that shouldn't trigger. I need to actually put myself on silent. It shouldn't trigger it there. It should trigger once you close the command interface. So let's go here. This should trigger after the command interface. So this is going to be the I guess actually, I mean, what I might do instead is go here, go to that command interface, and change that actually. Wait, that's right, I have it over in the radio menu, even though it's not radial anymore. It was at one point, and here we go, ship systems. So once you hit this, on clicked, radio menu action, okay. Yes, we are still in UI. Yeah, let's do this then. So, ship systems view. Go back to player. Let's see. Let's go here. So welcome, welcome. Now let's see. I want to open up my here. Might be easier if I just search for it. IA underscore open radio. Oh well. That can't be right because I open up the radio menu somewhere in here. Ah, yep, there we go. Create radio UI. This is the radio menu class. Common radio menu. So for this, we add a tag. We just add this one. Let's add another tag. I have to create a tag. Like radio menu, yeah, so there's not one here, so let's open this up, go player, yeah, I don't want to undo that UI, player, UI, plus radio menu, that's not even a radio menu, so I don't know. It's the command interface, I think is what I call it. So command interface. Add new tag. So let's go back here. This will just be command interface instead. So the command interface gets removed. Yeah, because we add it here. Add tag command interface. Let's go to our thingy here. So when the command interface gets closed, we'll remove that tag. So let's go back here and reopen that UI. Radial command interface. So here we will do get, or I guess let's try get. Oh no, okay. Let's just get player on get component by class gameplay tags remove tag. So here we're directly hitting close this, so we'll call it here. Yeah, command interface, and then we'll also close the command interface. I only want to do this when they wrote, so not do it there. But maybe on any of these that then. Yeah. Should be fine. We only want to do it all once it close it. Read our view. Go. Oh yeah, I need to change some text there. For systems. There we go. Oh. I think I might have skipped the dialogue on accident there. Set tag listener, hashtag false. Oh, do I need to complete the last quest? No, that's already done. So why did that not work? Okay, let's take a look. Nope. Alright, hopefully I didn't go there. Okay, see, that's closing the USB. This is the problem. Okay. See, I called this. Oh, okay. Oops, got this flipped. Yes, section 2. But it's because I'm removing this tag. Yeah, everybody handy? Let's see. Oh yeah. Radar view. Go through the tutorial. And then highlight the ships. Open back up the interface and ship systems. Close. Yeah. See. So we do ship systems. Think that'll work. Close ESV. Yeah, see. Do this and then command interface. Because we're listening for the command interface to close. So that should then work correctly. Yeah, because it will do is we'll actually do that first. radar view. Ping. Ship system. Da, da. Okay. Let's see. So remove this tag is not calling it as I would expect. Let's go take a look at the game mode. Oh, that's right, it's up here. Yeah, they're tutorial mode. Alright. Check for tag. Compares to hashtag. Equal. So hashtag false is false. Yeah. So the question is, why is that not returning correctly for this one at least? True. Also true. Okay, and then it's not true at all on that close. Okay, so that's something to do with that. Because was a tree. Dialogue index 4. Close combo. Yeah, you have to do the switch on int, though it should always work. Tag listener. Yeah, so it's listening. So when I close, ship systems, it triggers. Let's open up this. So when I hit exit here, I remove the UI as well. Well, I don't want to do that because I don't think I can actually open up to that screen anymore, right? I think it goes through there. Yeah. So I go here and then just skip this. This should work. See, it says true, but then doesn't trigger there. I guess it'll probably help if I do this. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I know what's going on. Okay. It clicked. I've not used my gameplay tags container in a while. So I know what is going on here. So first, you go in and is add tag listener. On this, we need to add the UI command interface. And then put that here. Drag that up. That will do the determine, and then we need to do notify tag changed. And then add in command, as I call it, command interface toggled. Call here. All right, and I think here we go. Bind event. All right. That should. Oh yeah, I have to drag this back in. Huh? Oh, to make this the default. Okay, yeah, signature. Find. Interface. I should at least fix this tutorial. Oops. Still need to fix the UI, but that'll be an easy one once I get the tutorial fixed. Hey, there we go. All right, perfect. So then all I need to do is, when this closes, see I'm removing the tag. Which is why is this not triggering the remove tag? Here, this is at the UI listener. Check. Clear UI. Yeah. Let's see here. Howdy, howdy. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. Let's just go look at some of the other UI I used to remove that. See if I can figure out why that's not functioning properly. Let's look at our plus release. Oh yeah, no, the other ones when I look at pause menu. So when I hit resume, what am I doing? Deactivate, remove from parent, and So why is that not triggering correctly? Well, one way to find out. Let's first see if it's getting called. String. And this will just be paused. Unpaused. Okay, so it's still calling paused. It is removing. I think what's going on is it's adding one too many. But it shouldn't be. Oh. Let's see. So when you open up, you got this, right? Open up our ship system. I think before, this would just outright work. Yes, that works. If I just bring that back in, does that still work? I think so, but let's just double check. Okay, yes, so it is with adding the ship system. So if I do this, I guess I should test it before I closed it. If I do this, ship systems, then hit exit, then hit close. Okay, that's the problem. So we're stacking these when we shouldn't be. Remove stack. Yeah, that might work. So, but we only want to trigger only on this one, because the rest we were fine with adding or removing tags. We can do remove stack, and because this is the one where we know we will always be going back to the actual screen. So we'll do player UI. We just want to make sure always, this should always work no matter what. No matter if screens are up or whatever. Yeah, see, it doesn't though. That's the weird thing. Okay. So why is that? Pause and paused, paused. Yeah. So it's not removal of the tag that seems to be the issue, at least not directly. We've added our UI. Two tags. Let's see, can we actually see if I go in here? Can I see the current tags? There you go. Okay, active setting is player is UI. Press it. Hit resume. Okay. One second. Alright. I guess I'll change the song real quick. A little too upbeat right now. There we go. Okay. So we got our different options here. Let me just click off this. That way it hides that. And let's come back to it. So we can look at our tags. Okay, so remove this. That removes that interface. We remove this, removes the command interface. But the player UI is not removed, but that's okay because we got the tutorial. Go through tutorial. Okay. So tutorial completes, but it's not removing the UI. That is part of it, but I feel like that's not what's causing the issue here. First, let's go here. Yeah, close. So it is supposed to be removing that tag. The question is, why is that not removing the tag? It's up here. Set the index, close combo, set tag listener. Same thing here. Guess I could do this. So it doesn't feel necessarily like that's going to do much. Trying to think. So why is that tag not getting removed? I wonder. We had an extra one here. We just bypass that one. I wonder if that's just a superfluous one. Okay. That was the problem. We were just adding one too many. Which is fair. We should only be adding the one. So if we go through the tutorial again, it should fix that issue. All right. Yep. Okay, perfect. So now we extend out the radiators. Boom. Perfect. All right. So we got all that working. Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit of the dialogue here. So open the command interface and hit ship systems. Alright, so now we extend the radiators, that all works. That brings us to the next row. Alright, so let's see. So we have intro, the lock on, vehicle management system, ship systems, heat management. So all that's left is the fuel system, which I don't have the station set up to refuel the ship yet, so I'm going to wait on that. Let's see, let's open up our organization here. See, I might add. Actually, need a create tutorial for the missile builder. So let's do that. I need to have the missile builder be in the pause menu. So let's do this. So let's go and try to add that here. Well, do we want it in the pause menu? Actually, now that I think about it, probably not. Just because it'd be really easy to cheese. I mean, unless, well, I guess if I version the missile blueprints, would that be a lot of added effort? So yes, I think we'll make this part of the station. You can design new missile blueprints either in the main menu, you know, that's where most people are going to do it, or if you're in game, you can do it at stations, which makes sense to me, because they're going to be kind of your pivotal key places you can do stuff. So, get ability to start refueling. We'll remove all these extra ones here. I'll have to remove the size boxes too. Alright, so you get your refueling button. We've got edit armory. Yeah, I'm probably misspelling that. Let's double check. Okay, no, so it's fine. Edit missile blueprints. All right. I'm gonna take a quick break. Grab a drink and take a quick second to clear up my nose and stuff. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Howdy, howdy, USB. Welcome, welcome. Sorry, I was taking a quick break. Alright. Let's see here. Holy. Alright, so I've got my dock station. Leave that there for now. So, next in order is, let's see, we're gonna do the fuel. Then we're gonna do, alright. Add quest, so we'll do complete quest. Want this. This is gonna be the fuel tutorial. Let's grab this one. I guess let's actually do like we do the others. Reroute node. Like having the reroutes towards the front, that way I can edit those as needed. Alright. So we were talking with Jemis last time. So let's carry on. So we just talked about heat and extending the radiators. Actually, I guess I did just have him have them extend the radiators. So let's talk about that a little bit more before we move on to fuel. Still do complete quest, but then we'll say good work, Captain. Radiators. If I can spell radiators. Reading steady cooling. All right. These will keep the ship cool and all but the most dire. Keep it cool. All but the most heat expending moments. Let's move on to fuel. Grab one of these. All right. So for fuel, let's see. So you got your fuel bar, right? So let's look at our gauge. Hold on. Let's boot up the sandbox. So our fuel levels, and then we'll talk about fuel consumption. We'll probably also want to mention the ship system fuel power ratio and the breakdown there, which is going to be the deuterium to helium. But I think we talked about that earlier. So let me see. In this tutorial, I know we talked a little bit about the heat. I wonder if we talked about. Oh yeah, that's right. In the ship systems, we talked about the slider. Low ratios increase fuel efficiency of the reactor, such reduced heat output. Conversely, higher ratios will increase the ship's thrust and the cost of efficiency and heat. That all makes sense. So here, we won't dive into that then too much. So, as you can see, oops, should probably help if I uncap this. In the VMS, the Wayfarer, if I could capitalize W, steadily uses fuel, even when not actively moving. As you probably know, this is due to the ship's power system sharing the same fuel source as the main reactor that powers our engines. This is critical. Maintaining the fuel is critical to continued operations. And losing fuel can cause ship to not only lose drive, the engine power, and also will cut weapons systems. Luckily, a lot of redundancies are built into the system. So losing an engine or two or a few won't hamper the others. The only fail point is the reactor itself. Is a massive. Let me see here. Massive 250 megawatt. Is that right? I'm trying to look at the schematics. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's not right. It's 250. That was 2,500 megawatts. Fusion drive. We'll give it a name though. The reactor itself. A turnstile. Turnstile drive. Turnstile power plant is a massive fusion. No, I'm gonna mix this up. Fusion power plant. This ship. Get very far. Right. And that should be long enough for a blurb there. Let's do some spell checking in my Word document real quick, because, you know, never hurts to double check your grammar. A couple commas were missing. Ship's power needs an apostrophe. Lose not only the yep, that makes more sense. Comma. No, I like that one better. That's fine. This gauge is perfect. Let's get some down eat. There we go. I'll let Grammarly correct some of my mistakes there a little bit. Let's also check this one while I've got it. It's a little shorter, so it should be a little easier. Let's see here. Radiators are reading steady. Actually, remove the cooling part. Reading steady. No loss. Pressure. As you keep the ship cooled, all the most heat expending moments. Let's move to onto fuel. Let's paste this here. What is that music? What? better. Let's go see if we find something better. There we go. Alright, welcome, welcome. I see we got 2 people here. Howdy, howdy. Alright, so we got that. Let's go ahead and plug in these. And I think for now we'll just do something like closing the dialogue tree. Won't add anything else for now. There's still a lot more to go, but this will be good enough for now. Right. Oh, I think my family got home, so I'm gonna sign off. Good luck. Good hunting.